all how I was expecting this particular backpacking trip to go. Man, in just a fraction of a second, your entire trip can change. And I don't think you always realize that until it happens to you. We were having such a lovely time on a route that I've done many, many times before. And I just happened to step funny down off of a rock.
What happened? Talk to me.
It's my ankle.
Yeah? Did you twist it?
I think so.
Did you fall down, Ruth? I just realized for a second, you just breathe, we'll let it still, and we'll look just now.
Can you maybe help me take my pack off?
Yeah.
And then I'll move. Oh, I can't believe I did that.
It's okay, just give it a second.
Yeah. I just want to sit in a more...
Oh, why don't you sit up here? If you can go only on your left foot.
Yeah, I can't put weight on that at the moment. Are you able to like completely just unlace?
Yeah, I'll do it, don't worry. We'll get it.
So I can't
yeah.
move the ankle.
Yeah, no, I got it.
Thank you. Thanks, Steph. Yeah, there we go. You can keep going.
I don't see immediate
Swelling,
which is good.
I
Yeah.
can feel there.
And it seems like you move your toes. No.
I can.
Good.
Can I dribble a little bit of water where that dirt is, just so
Yes.
that we can see?
Oh, that hurts.
That little part there.
Yeah. I'm just wait.
Yeah, don't worry. It's okay.
I have gene pain.
Genpain is good because it's got codeine.
Genpain is actually a good idea. Genpain will be stronger than Mytade Forte.
You'll need two though.
Do you have to spare though?
I do. Well, maybe we can take the bags back and then come and fetch you.
Yeah, well,
and
I
you
mean,
can one foot up.
I can take you home back. So
Just holding it like this is
Yeah.
okay.
it's okay. You put in a little bit of pressure.
What I'm thinking now, I definitely will not be able to hike out of here tomorrow. That's impossible. But
Yeah.
is it maybe possible for me to get from here, instead of doing the normal path, like mountain hut?
Kan ek jou voet in die skoen kan kry en kan regop staan? Want dan kan ons jou help.
Ja.
Maar as jy nie eers iets op jou voet kan sit nie.
That's true. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Let me see if I actually like.
Then be careful. I mean, there must be Genpain or something because you were way more sore like 10 minutes
I
ago.
think the Genpain is kicking in. Yeah. I think in the time we have left, I may be able to hobble to a mountain hut. Well, Ruth, okay, let's walk like 10 meters and see what happens.
Well, look, it's a massive improvement
From 10 minutes ago.
I'm feeling actually better now that I'm like vertical.
Yeah.
But that is about as long as Genpain takes to kicking as well.
Yeah.
Should I run straight to the mountain and drop my bag and come get yours?
Do you want the key to the mountain hut?
Yeah. Give me the key to the mountain.
Okay.
But let's just see. If we saw whatever and you can't go past this because then I'll just go get the car and get you here.
Okay, I'm not going to put my backpack on.
No.
But I am going to use the
just leave it there
poles.
for
Yeah.
now. It's safe for the moment.
Oh, you put weight on.
I did.
How do we feel?
I'm taking a lot of weight on the poles, but
Yeah.
this actually feels okay.
Oh, I'm so relieved you can put weight on.
Yeah,
it.
me
It
too.
didn't-
Me too. I honestly thought I had broken it
Yeah.
when I was like,
Yeah.
when I couldn't even touch it, it was so sore. I was like, it's broken. But now I'm feeling, I mean, it's sore, but I don't feel like I'm going to throw up anymore.
Yeah.
Yes, that was so,
I heard it. I mean, the sound made me look back.
Mm.
And I heard something and it wasn't a normal
Yeah.
klippe wat bietjie rol.
Yeah. I don't know. Like, if it was something where I wasn't getting blood flow to part of my foot, or I couldn't feel properly on part of my foot, then I'd be like, we need to go now. Like, now. But right now, it's just sore. I can put some weight on it. I can hobble to that hut. So I think it's okay if we sleep here tonight. And then tomorrow, I definitely cannot hike 10 k's out. That's for sure. It's like the longest 500 meters we've ever done in our lives.
Don't worry.
Yes, but thanks, guys. Hey, like, I'm sorry. I know this is not the plan that we had for this hike.
Anyway, welcome to this place.
Welcome to the hut.
Right, so I have been to the sports doctor and she did an ultrasound of my ankle, and there were 2 ligaments that had been slightly damaged, but it was like a grade 1 sprain. So I'm just taking it very easy for the rest of this week, and I have an appointment with the physiotherapist on Monday, and he'll tell me what sort of exercises to do and also show me how to strap my ankle. I'm really grateful that I was with Ralph and Steph, because both of them were fantastic with helping and figuring things out and keeping me calm as well. So thank you guys for all of your help.